Hello, this is my new concept for the new iPhone design. We've gathered new data from the internet on what features most of the customers want and need on the new designs. The new design will still be using glass for the front and back of the phone, and also it will still use the aluminum frame. There will be an action mode for any camera work, and there will be the cinematic mode for using the videos. And there will also be a game mode for when you're playing games. Design for the front and the bottom is the design for the back. And we're gonna be making use of the physical SIM, and there's also gonna be a micro SD card slot. We'll be removing the ports, and we're only gonna be using the wireless charger for charging. So the only point where the phone's gonna make contact, the inside of the phone's gonna make contact outside is through the SIM and the micro SD. As you can see from the design, the new camera position is in the center of the phone, and also bulging outside. The camera will be built in, so it's harder to push the camera, and it's also easier to protect it. The use of the physical SIM so that the market outside the US can be grown even more. Since not all of the countries can make use of the eSIM. Internal memory will be 256, 512, and 1 terabyte will also be increased through the use of the microSD, which will improve the phone storage for games, videos, and other downloads. We'll also be making use of a 4500 milliamp, which can last all day if used easily. For example, for texting, for browsing, and for more rigorous use, like playing games, watching movies, and also capturing videos, you may last for half a day. The shell of the phone will feature a ceramic shield, which is also splash and water resistant, while also being built to last. So even if you drop it a few times, it will only leave scratches, but 5 feet and above may damage the phone. However, it can still function properly as long as it is properly cared for. The phone has a full screen always on display, which also has a brightness adjustment, which detects the glare from outside from any light source and automatically adjusts the screen brightness. It has an 18 megapixel main camera, a 5 times telephoto, and an ultra-wide camera. It will also be making use of the A32 Bionic chip. The phone will be making use of the iOS 20, which lets the phone not only use the App Store, but also the Google Play Store and others. The phone is designed to be non-slip, and it also has a 240 dynamic refresh rate. The phone's body length, width, and height are respectively 6 inches, 2.5 inches, and 0.3 inches, which makes it easy to hold, and since the camera bulge is no longer there, and also the phone is once again non-slip, so it has been improved ergonomically. So Apple is also dedicated to environmental friendly projects. The wall adapter will no longer be included in the box, but instead there will be a wireless charger which can also be powered through solar charging. Since this is still a prototype, the design was created in order to show the available features which can still be improved upon. Both internal and external feedbacks which will be made use of for the next design improvement of this phone. Thank you very much for listening to my idea. My name is Vince Timothy Concepcion. Once again, thank you.